we gotta take these rivets off. We have some replacement rivets. I don't think we can reuse them. So, push it in. Push that in, right? I don't know when these break. Look at these little dinky things. Carefully, push this inside. Holy. Alright. Take your time, watch your paint, know the wrap. This one didn't have one, so we'll find them. Alright, so these rivets, I guess. Throw that in here. There you go. Alright. Yeah, just give me plastic pieces. These things are messed up. There we go. Okay. Alright. Plastic rivets. Those seem to. Alright, so we got the wheel turned. Get her done. Screw these rivets.